Hello, let's draw some 2D shapes. What is this? We are drawing 2D shapes. Let's start. Triangle. We are drawing triangle. What is this? It's a triangle shape, kids. Triangle. Now we are drawing diamond. What shape, kids? It's a diamond shape. What is this? This is a diamond. Diamond. Semicircle. What is this? Semicircle. Semicircle. Pentagon. What is this? It's a pentagon shape, kids. We are drawing pentagon. Pentagon. Trapezoid. What is this? Trapezoid shape, kids. It's a trapezoid. Trapezoid. Cross. We are drawing cross shape. What is this? It's a cross. We are drawing cross. What is this? This is a cross. Cross. Now learn some colors. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute color, kids. Look, look, look. What is this? It's a color. Let's learn. Forest green color, orange color, yellow green color, pink color, purple color, red color, grey color, green color. Azalea purple color. Azalea purple color. Warm grey color. Warm grey color. French vermilion color. French vermilion color. Fresh green color. Fresh green color. Canary yellow color. Canary yellow color. Natural oak color. Natural oak color. Let's learn these shapes. Triangle, diamond, semicircle, pentagon, trapezoid, cross. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.